Get rid of varicose veins forever with the use of one simple ingredient. Varicose veins, this is a common health problem and it can happen to anyone. This type of health problem is both aesthetic and a health problem, and it can be caused by many different reasons, such as age. Most varicose veins can be seen between 30 and 70 years. Women have bigger predisposition from men. The reason can be pregnancy, premenstrual syndrome, menopause and more. Hormone therapy, overweight, not enough walking, pregnancy, hereditary factor. Sometimes, it can be really frustrating, because it will make you feel uncomfortable and you will have to wear longer clothing. These swollen, distended and twisted veins can't deliver the blood flow to the heart. So, this blood is accumulated in these veins. These veins may block the deeper veins and cause deep vein thrombosis. This is why you should treat this health problem on time. Because if you wait for too long, you may not be able to treat it. Useful tips: eat healthy food, exercise every day, don't sit or stand all the time. And the most important thing is, you should try this homemade natural remedy. This miraculous homemade remedy is really amazing. You will be amazed by the results. You just need one simple ingredient: olive oil. Olive oil is awesome. Yes, it's loaded with healthy nutrients and it can provide many health benefits. You can use this amazing ingredient to fight varicose veins. Here's what you need to do: pour some olive oil in a pan and put it in the microwave for 15 seconds. Apply some olive oil on your hands and rub the affected area with it. This method will improve the blood circulation and help you solve this problem much faster.